Two additions to the collection today. This one here is a Lister LR1, which appears to be seized. Certainly been put away for a long time. I think it's an LR1 or an LD1, but I believe it's an LR1. And this one is a Petter PH1. This can turn, the crankshaft will turn, but as far as I understand, it has no piston and rod inside. So I think I'll start pulling apart today. I have two more Petter PH1s, one practically complete and one in part, so I'll probably be able to do something with that. And I got some more LR1 parts, so I'll get it worked out. That's it for now.